Television and music after World War II by Lauren, Cameron, and Maddie.
What is the baby boom? The baby boom was a time when the population rose very quickly. The impact of the baby boom was that more people were hired, more stores were built, and more houses were built.
Television. One of the main products people bought at this time was a television set. Television commercials allowed companies to advertise their products. Television programs were simply radio programs switched to the television.
Tennessee music. Rhythm and blues became very popular during this time. It was also known as R&B.
The recording industry takes root in Tennessee. Music of every kind, country, blues, jazz, gospel, and Appalachian folk, was being played by musicians in Tennessee. Because of so many musicians being in Tennessee, several recording companies were in Memphis and Nashville, Tennessee.
Here is a little question. What was the baby boom and how did it affect Americans?